ベルグマンさんのブースにお邪魔しています。ここからはメーカードイツからお越しいただいておりますフィンさん、そして総代理店のジェイソンさん、お二方にお話を伺っていきたいと思います。それでは早速なんですが、こちらの会社の製品サービスについて教えてください。ではジェイソンさんお願いします。フィンさんお願いします。
Thank you so much. Thank you for visiting us. So yeah, here we have the C850. It's a 12-ton articulated dump truck. So we have all-wheel drive, 750 flotation tires, and we have 3 versions of the truck. So here we see the swivel tip. We also have it available as a straight back tip and the 3-way tip. The special thing about this truck is that it's fully articulated. Again, we have hydraulic suspension, hydraulic cylinders that will straighten up if the tip goes up. We have a Cummins engine, 4.5 liters, with a permanent 4-wheel drive. So we have a full comfort cabin with air suspended seat. We have a climate control, obviously, and also the option of having a swiveled seat in case of narrow applications that we can just swivel the seat and go on the straight back. So the machine drives 40 kilometers on the front and 40 kilometers backwards. We have a ZF gear transmission, which prevents the transmission from overheating while driving backwards. In the front, we have all the electric components, very easable to access. So all the service manufacturers or service technicians can stand on the ground and do the maintenance on the electric systems. The same principle applies for the engine, because we have a patented butterfly suspension wing for the engine hood, which means the operator can still stand on the ground and maintain the engine and doesn't have to climb on the top of the truck. So the engine is a stage 5. Of course, nowadays it comes with AdBlue. As you can see here, we have an automatic lubrication system, so the operator or also the service technicians don't have to lubricate the machine manually, which is a great comfort for the driver. During winter times, we have a heated windshield, so it will not will not freeze in, or we will not have any visibility problems. The mirrors are electronically adjustable and controlled and also heated. Here we have the butterfly doors, so we can open them very easily. They will fold open and we can do all the maintenance from ground standing and don't have to climb on the truck. On the back we are having a full HD camera, also optional as a 360 camera, and the lights are prevented from any damages as they're positioned on the top of the bucket. All right, Jason, you might translate?
この機械はですね、ドイツから来ました。で、この機械のモデルは C815 というものです。実は3タイプありまして、これは後ろバケットは180度回るタイプ。で、あと2タイプはここには置いてないですけども、また現場によって変わります。そしてちょっと日本のマーケットに合わせて少しカスタマイズをしていただいて、現場でもっと使いやすいようにいろいろ改造しました。ちょっと先ほどメーカーのフィンさんから細かくご説明をいただきましたけれども、ちょっと時間の問題で活躍させていただきます。
ありがとうございます。ではどのような方に使ってほしいですか？
Which customer?
Thank you. So the main job sites are basically for off-road applications, obviously, where we have like low ground pressure demand or very steep slopes where we can't use regular trucks, as well as very narrow applications. So this is a very compact built truck, which means we have like very compact sizes and a very short turning radius. So we can go onto very short and narrow roads that are up in the mountains, for example, to transport earth moving, for solar panels, for gas pipelining, for wind construction. All these off-road applications apply for the truck.
簡単と言いますと狭い土木造成の現場です。要は今まで大型使っているものをもうちょっとコンパクトで、短時間でたくさんの土量を運べるような現場ですね。
ありがとうございます。では最後に今後どのようにしていきたいのかなど力を入れていきたいものを教えてください。
やっぱりサービスですね、初めて海外から日本に導入した商品ですので、今後、お客さんが安心して使って、安心できるようなサービス体制を今、構築しているところなので、やっぱり、提供したいと思います。
ありがとうございます。ここまで、ベルグマンさんのブースからお届けしました。